Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to make first letter capital in MS Excel. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, you can see here I have some words. All first letters are in small. Guys, if you want all words first letter capital, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, here you need to type some of the formula. First you need to type is equal to. After this you need to type proper. Then you need to open the bracket. After this, guys, you can see here it is in C column, and you can see it is a fifth row. And after that you need to type C5. After this you need to close the bracket and press enter. Guys, you can see the first letter of the word has become capital. Now if you want to do all these words as a first letter capital, then you need to select and drag down. Guys, you can see here all the words of the first letter has become capital. That's it guys. So in this way you can make first letter capital in MS Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.